This is the last topic that is remaining in this unit, that is Taylor's stability number. This is also used to find out the factor of safety in case of finite slope. But here we use this stability number. So what is this stability number? So Taylor did this analysis on very large number of slopes and he gave one stability number. So that stability number is given as Sn is equal to C upon factor of safety times gamma h. So this is a similar formula that we saw earlier in case of infinite slope, but this one is here, it is for finite slopes. Now there are two sets of charts. One is for failure, that is for toe failure, and second is for base failure. So in case of toe failure, this stability number will depend upon the angle of slope and the angle of internal friction. So knowing this, we can read the stability number from the chart and then we can find out the factor of safety, or if we have been given the factor of safety, like there should be a factor of safety of 1.5. if we have been given something like this, and from using this factor of safety we can find out the safe height for a given angle of slope and for a given soil, that is C5 characteristics will be given. And other thing can be, if we have been given slope and height and everything, then we can find out the factor of safety. So these are the two things possible. And if it is a case of base failure, then there is one more term involved, that is depth factor. So that depth factor is nothing but, so in case of base failure, we know there will be a hard stratum below this soil or below this slope. So the location of that hard stratum is denoted or is represented by this depth factor. So here depth factor will be, if this hard stratum is at the depth of z and from here this depth is h, so depth factor will be z upon h, or I can write z equal to dh. So that is the depth factor. So in case of base failure, there will be a chart which will include beta, phi, and along with this depth factor will also be included in that chart. So those charts are not of any importance to us. So we will see one example. So how can a question be asked from this topic? So I've taken an example here. A slope is to be constructed at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal from a soil having properties C is equal to 15 kilonewton per meter square, phi is equal to 22.5 degrees, gamma is equal to 19 kilonewton per meter square. Taylor's stability number is given as 0.046 and factor of safety is also given with respect to cohesion, that is 1.5. So in this formula, this factor of safety which is here, it is with respect to cohesion. So we have been given these things and the safe height is required. So we can simply put this formula Sn is equal to, so this here the thing is we don't have to use chart, but this value of stability number, it is given by using this angle of slope and this angle of internal friction. So from that we can find this value, but we will be given this value directly. So we can simply use the formula, that is C upon factor of safety gamma h. So from here h is equal to, C is 15, factor of safety is 1.5, gamma is 19 and stability number is 0.046. So from here if you find out, so this h will come out to be 11.44 meter, which is almost equal to 11.5 meter. So this is the answer. Now this is the kind of question you can be asked from this stability number.